ignition system is comprised of a powertrain control module, ignition control module. The valve position is monitored by the camshaft position sensor and relayed to the ignition control module. If the camshaft position sensor is faulty, it can cause ill-timed fuel injection into the combustion chamber, creating a misfire. The crankshaft position sensor indicates the piston position. Should the crankshaft position sensor become faulty, the ignition spark will be out of time. The crankshaft sensor can be physically damaged by a condition known as crank walk, where the crankshaft moves back and forth slightly, contacting the sensor's surface. Excessive heat can also cause both the crankshaft and camshaft position sensors to become faulty. Both the ignition control module and the powertrain control module can be damaged by excessive heat. The powertrain module monitors both the cam and crank sensors' conditions and temperature to ensure smooth operation. If a spark plug or ignition cable is damaged, some or all of the electricity will escape before reaching the spark plugs. The same result occurs if an ignition coil is damaged. Electricity will dissipate before reaching the spark plug to ignite the fuel in the combustion chamber. Inside the engine, a clean new spark plug ensures a clean burn. Over time, carbon deposits can build up on the spark plug's contact points. That will result in a weakened spark, or the spark plug may not fire at all.